Hello, little artists! Our first fruit is orange. Start by drawing a large, round circle. This is the main body of the orange. Inside the circle, draw a few smaller circles to represent the dimples on the orange's peel. Now, let's draw a sweet and heart-shaped strawberry. Draw a heart shape to create the outline of the strawberry. On the surface of the strawberry, add tiny seeds by drawing small dots or dashes. You can also add a small green stem on top of the heart shape. Next up is the cheerful banana. Draw a long, curved shape to represent the banana. You can make it slightly bent for a more natural look. Feel free to add a smiling face to make your banana extra friendly and fun. Time to draw the king of fruits, the mango. Begin by drawing a large oval shape for the mango. Add a small, curved stem on top. To represent the texture of the mango's skin, draw some diagonal lines across the oval. Last but not least, let's draw a bunch of grapes. Draw a bunch of small circles clustered together. This will be the grapes. Connect the circles with a curvy line to form a grapevine. Optionally, add a couple of leaves near the vine for a finishing touch.